ಧೇರನಾ ತೋಂ ತನನನ ಧೇರನಾ
ತೋಂ ತನನನ ಧೀರನಾ ತೋಂ ತನನನ ಧೀರನಾ
ತೋಂ ತನನನ ಧೇರನಾ ತೋಂ ತನನನ ಧೇರನಾ.
It gives us immense joy to welcome you all to our Diamond Jubilee College Day field display. This is Arun K. Kutnikar, lecturer in English, taking you through the main events of the display with Sri A. Sudhindra Hebbar, lecturer in biology. Our students enter the stadium to the band tunes Colonel Bogi and Aste Lushai. The field display we are going to witness today comprises the general salute and the march past, band display, gymnastics, yogasana display and fusion drill consisting of an amalgamation of aerobics exercises, musical cricket drill, karate display and human pyramids. Our students are trained by professionally competent physical education staff. Sri D. Sudarshan, Sri B.R. Ravi, Sri Shrisha Kumar, Captain P.C. Somaya, Sri Shankar, Sri Vinay Kumar and Sri Divyananda. Our gymnasts are coached by Sri C. Marshall and Sri V. Raghavendra. Our Yogasana troupe is under the care of Sri Srikant. The Karatekas are trained by Renshi Sunil Kumar S., black belt 6th Dan from Japan. The pyramid formations are engineered by Sri K.M. Chengappa. Our band troupe, which is the pride of Vidyashala, is trained by our in-house bandmaster Sri Diwan Singh Dhami. Our parade commander is Anup V. Sampagavi, a second PUC student. You now see 400 students aligned in 11 troops, and we have great pleasure in introducing to you our troop leaders. The first troop from your left is the Pyramids Display Troop led by Shravan Ayyappa K. of second PUC, captain of our college hockey team. Second troop, Akil Mallappa Anagol of second PUC. Third troop, Likit Hegde Honkankere of 10th standard. Fourth troop, Pushkar Keshav of 10th standard, division level basketball player. Fifth troop, Chetan M of 10th standard, school hockey team goalkeeper. Sixth troop, Samartha CS of 10th standard, assistant secretary of the sports department. Seventh troop, Subramanya R. Bhatt of 10th standard, school football team goalkeeper. Eighth troop, Shreyas Tarakesh Faide of first PUC, general secretary of the students council. Ninth troop, the Yogasana troop led by Harshit M of 2nd PUC. Our young gymnasts led by Parikshit N by Hurukadli of 2nd PUC. Our band troupe is led by Vishwas S of 1st PUC. Nihal Ganapati and Akash Medappa are our escort pilots. They will be escorting the chief guest. Nihal Ganapati is a state level athlete and the secretary of the sports department. He has also bagged the Best Sportsman of the Year award for his exceptional performances in both internal and external athletic events and hockey. The other escort pilot, Akash Medappa, is a state level basketball player. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to introduce some of our successful athletes and sportsmen of 2012. First, the individual champions in athletics, Nihal Ganapati, Kumar Shivam, Mallagauda Patel and Ashish BV. Nihal Ganapati of 2nd PUC created a new record in high jump, erasing the old record set by his father, Dr. M.S. Belliyappa. Vaikunth Srinivasan of 2nd PUC also created a new record in discus throw. Next, the individual champions in aquatics, Prerant P, A.S. Bharat and Prajwal Yemen. A.S. Bharat set 3 new meet records in swimming, while Ajay MP, Ajay Raj of 1st PUC set a new mark in diving. Ajay was placed 2nd in the state level diving competition and 7th in the national level competition. In table tennis, our champions are Anirudh P, Ritik R and Likith BM. Parikshit N Hurukadli of 2nd PUC and Aditya Somanna of 1st PUC are our chess champions. In Carom, the honors go to Sanat Kumar and Rahul Srishrimal. Yashas TS of 9th standard is the winner of T. Gopalaya Shetty Endowment for Yoga Championship. Nongdamba Vairokpam is a national level participant in NCC and also the winner of SP Suresh Endowment and Wing Commander Praveen K. Memorial Endowment Prize for Best NCC Cadet of the Year. Our gymnastics troupe boasts of 6 youngsters who are selected to participate in state level gymnastics competitions. Our sportsmen had a successful year in various team games and our captains were football, Achyut Rokam and Likith Hegde Honkankere, hockey, Shravan Ayappa and Biddappa MS, volleyball, Sanat Kumar and Ramnath DH, basketball, Nikhil Eman and Bharat Yogendra, shuttle badminton, Rakshit KV and Shashwat, Kho-Kho, Shubham Patel, handball, Jashwant Gowda and Samartha CS, table tennis, Dhanush Jagdish and Likith BM, ball badminton, Vishal A. Bandagar. Other students who have tasted success in various external sports and games events are Akhil Eman, Sarvesh GM, Yashas SR, Shivdat, Kiran Nayak, Karan Jain Athletics, Rutvik Vasista, Uday Simha in swimming, Atul Rokkam, Rayan Surya, Rahul AJ, Aditya K in football, A.S. Karyappa, Varun Ganapati, Kuldeep in hockey, Madhav Krishna, Rohit Kumar, Pushkar in basketball, Supreet, Nakul Rao in shuttle badminton, Dushyant in volleyball, Pranav Holla in table tennis, Satvik Chadaga, Subhash Lamani in Kho-Kho, Tejas Yes, Suhas Yemen in gymnastics, Akshay Krishna in handball, Kumar Gowda in yoga, Amartya Siddharth in cricket. Our chief guest this evening is Lieutenant General Ramesh Halgali, Deputy Chief of the Army Staff. The guest of honor is Honorable Medical Education Minister and District In Charge Minister, Government of Karnataka, Sri S.A. Ramdas. Our chief guest, he is accompanied by Revered Swami Suviranandji Maharaj, Assistant Secretary, Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Mutt, West Bengal. They arrive in a few minutes from now. Their arrival will be heralded by our band troupe. They will be escorted by the escort pilots. As the guests enter the stadium, you will kindly stand up and receive them. That is the VIP call, heralding the arrival of our guests, Lieutenant General Ramesh Halgali and Revered Swami Suviranandji Maharaj. They are escorted by our principal, Sri S. Balaji, our correspondent, Swami Satyeshanandji, and President, Swami Muktidanandaji. Swami Satyeshanandji, and President, Swami Muktidanandaji. Swami Muktidanandaji. That was the general salute. The entire parade, 400 strong, saluted the chief guest in attention.
400 students are ready for the inspection, sir.
Parade Commander Anup V. Sampagavai seeks the chief guest's permission to carry on with the parade and the field display.
ಯಾವ್ದು
Parade Commander Anup is escorting Lieutenant General Ramesh Halgali to inspect his troops. Troop led by Shravan K. Ayappa. Akhil Mallappa Anagol. Likit Hegde Honkan Kere. Pushkar Keshav. Chetan V. Vishwas, the band leader. Samartha CS. Subramanya Bhatt. Shreyas Tarakesh Faide. Harshit M. and Parikshit N. Purukadli. Our parade commander Anup V. Sampagavi hails from Bagalkot. He is the son of Dr. Vishwanath V. Sampagavi, a dermatologist, and Shailaja V. Sampagavi. That marks the commencement of the march past to the band tune Marching Through Georgia. Marching smartly at the head of the troops is Pramukh Gowda R., the president of the Students' Council. Pramukh, who hails from Ramanagara, is the son of Sri R.C. Ramanna, manager, Kaveri Gramina Bank, Mandya, and R.S. Sunita, pharmacist, Government Hospital, Ramnagara. He is an accomplished shuttle badminton player and 4th prize winner in the state level quiz competition conducted by the Education Department. That is the Pyramids Display Troupe led by Shravan Ayyappa saluting the chief guest. Akhil Anagol leads the cricket drill troupe past the dais. The third troop, led by Likith Hegde Honkankere. Pushkar's troop. Troop led by Chetan. Troop marching under the leadership of Samartha CS. Subramania's troop. Shreyas Faide saluting the chief guest with his troop. The Yogasana display troupe under Harshit. Our young gymnasts led by Parikshit. Ladies and gentlemen, our youngsters have maintained our traditional standards of excellence in both curricular and co-curricular activities. Our class averages in SSLC and 2nd PU public exams of 2012 were 91 and 84.95% respectively. In athletics and aquatics this year, our boys have won 114 medals besides winning team prizes in various games. 40 of our students have participated in state-level sports competitions organized by the Department of Public Instruction. One student participated in the national-level diving competitions. As our band troupe marches forward for its display, here is a change in the commentary. Please come in, Mr. Sudhindra Hebbar.
Thank you, Mr. Arun. That is Vishwas S of first PUC leading the band troupe. The troupe is marching to the tune Our Director. That is Sunrays formation. Our band troupe can play 102 different tunes. For today's display, it plays 33 tunes. The tune being played is Gangotri.